I made this AI music video with free AI music generator and a free AI video generator, and it was just so much fun. I can't believe that we're able to do this now, and the result at the end was just amazing. So the first step is, let's go to suno.ai so we can make a song completely made by AI. Just click on try the beta on Discord. Now in the Suno Discord, I'm gonna go to one of these chirp betas. I'm gonna write /chirp, and here we can describe the type of music. Let's do funk and soul, enter my own lyrics, or have ChatGPT make lyrics about. I want it to be kind of something like Uptown Funk with Bruno Mars. Let's see if we can get something to work. All right, we got 2 songs back. What? I literally can't believe that. What? Let's listen to the second song. Such a heavy bass. Let's listen to the chorus. This is insane. Okay, I'm so hyped to make this music video now. So we got the song. Now there are multiple variants of how to make an AI music video. I think the one I'm about to show you is the best, but I'm gonna incorporate a bunch of different things to showcase what AI is capable of. Step number 2, let's go to Kyber AI. And if you haven't started a free trial, now you can see that Kyber has 2 different types of videos. The first one is a flip book, which is a frame by frame animation. It's kind of like flickery type style. And also the new one is motion, where it actually kind of warps into each other, as you can see right here. Now, you can see if we click on motion, you can only begin with an initial image. However, with the flipbook, we can actually do the first method I'm about to show you, which is the add soundtrack. So I'm gonna click on it, upload the soundtrack we just listened to, continued with prompt. I'm gonna create a video of Bruno Mars in a colored suit doing dance moves, where in a luxury hotel, in the style of, and here I'm actually gonna click on cinematic, but the best thing happens when we click on video settings, 16:9. I'm actually gonna have the camera movement go to the right. I'm also a fan of zoom in, so we'll check that later as well. On the evolve, you can do more stable on the lower end, higher gets more wild, and it actually gets pretty wild on the 10. So let's try in the middle for now. Audio reactive, let's actually put that on medium, and let's generate the previews. I hope it knows who Bruno Mars is. Hey, it actually does. Whoa, this one looks so sick. Actually, a bunch of them look super cool. So let's try this one, and then just let's click on create video. A cool setting here is they actually have a storyboard, so you could go through bunch of different things, but we're gonna do that in editing later. So let's just create the video. It's gonna take a few minutes. What I'm hoping is this can be our A shot, that he's dancing throughout the entire video. We can always go back to it, but we also want these B-roll clips of a bunch of things happening, obviously. So while we wait, let's click on the like button on this YouTube video, obviously. So now I'm gonna generate all the other B-roll clips with AI. Here's how to train an AI chatbot on your data in less than 60 seconds. Go to botpress.com to build your ChatGPT chatbot. Now that we're on the inside, I just click on create chatbot. Now to add knowledge into your chatbot, you can either answer questions on documents, or you can actually train it on knowledge from a website. And now I want to act like you're a clothing brand. You're getting customer support requests like, how long is my shipping time, or how long can I refund this? I'm gonna go to this clothing store called Teddy Fresh, and they have an entire help section of sales terms. So I'm just gonna copy the main URL, paste it into BotPress, and click on say hello to your chatbot. We just built the simplest chatbot. Just click on this quick start knowledge. Now we can add pages from a URL. So we can just copy and paste important links that you might need. I'm gonna click on confirm. It's gonna index all these pages, and with a new and improved chatbot, we can ask it how many days to return the item. You have 14 days to return the item. Can I return socks? No, you cannot, because hygiene. Customer service just got way easier. Now just click on publish and anybody can use this chatbot. This was a simple example. It goes so much deeper. Here you can see an AI recruitment chatbot. Just go to botpress.com. So now I'm gonna generate all the other B-roll clips with AI. All right, we got the Kyber one back. Let's play it. Okay. You can see Bruno Mars just popping up left and right. Wow, that's actually super cool. I love them going to the right actually, and it's fitting kind of the style that we're trying to go for here to, my goal is to make it cohesive from now on. And yeah, it's looking sick. I like this. This is a good start. This too, such a good pose. Wow. Okay, I'm excited. Step number 3, I'm gonna go to pika.art, and this is an amazing AI video generator. Just click on join beta, and again, it's gonna be on Discord, so you can just go to one of these generate rooms. I'm gonna take the text that is here. I'm gonna go to Pika, and I'm gonna write /create and then a prompt of 2 people dancing together, funky soul. And I'm gonna do just a bunch of variations of this to try to get some B-roll. As you can see, we get some crazy generations from Pika. Does this look like funk and soul to you? Wow, this one is almost perfect. I actually posted it into ChatGPT, and now I'm asking it for like a shot list where they can describe each shot in one sentence. So now it's more of a copy paste. Keep copy and pasting. So here we got some amazing shots. Even Bruno looking out the window. It's a whole party going up in here. We literally got them all to dance. I'm not sure if this is what we wanted. Actually just incredible. Here we got Bruno being tired. I'm also gonna try to make him flirt. So I need a beautiful woman looking directly at the man's eyes. That's right, Bruno. Beautiful woman dancing with Bruno Mars. I'm surprised how good it actually is. Yo, Bruno Mars is going mad in this one. Yo, he literally just fell asleep. Look, he's yawning. I'm not even sure if we'll be able to get all of these clips in. I just downloading all of them. I think we got enough clips. So now I'm gonna bring it all together and make it into a full music video. But before that, like the video. Also comment down below AI music video if you want me to make more music videos or videos like this, because it's actually kind of fun. I'm gonna go to DaVinci Resolve because it's free. Anybody can use it. And I'm just gonna drag all my clips in here. 42 files. I may have gone a little bit too overboard. I'm gonna start by bringing the audio track in here, and then I'm literally gonna go, which clip should I put in here, and just try to put the clips back to back to back. And we're going to use this Kyber clip that is going like all the way over, super trippy and cool. I love that I put in a hotel because it actually looks like that. As I said before, we're gonna cut back and forth from this and kind of make it like a main theme of the video. For you, this will take 20 seconds. For me, probably like 20 minutes. Actually, let's time it right now. All right, guys, that took exactly 33 minutes. I was getting way too perfectionism with it, and it's still not done. If I really want to make it 100%, this music video was made 100% with AI, making the music through Discord, using Pika Labs for the AI video generation. And we actually didn't end up using that Kyber sliding thing because the concept didn't really fit well. Here is the final result. And there you have it. I don't know, I've never created anything like this before. It's surreal. And the craziest thing, Suno is free and Pika Labs is free. So you can literally just go out there and try this just for fun. I'm so excited to see where this will take us. I'm going to make this better and better over time. Subscribe, Patreon for exclusive content, and click this video to see how I made an AI movie. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.